Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A01 Core and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to focus on useful features category. At the second position we have pictures as preview option, so this is our mirror effect. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. We have also short info from the device that this can save selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them, so of course to make it work we have to remember to change back camera to the front one by tapping on this button from the right. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.